Greetings to my fellow ESOMAR members. My name is Lisa Wilding Brown, and I'm the Chief Research Officer here at InnovateMR, a global sample and technology firm headquartered in Calabasas, California, with global offices in Europe and in India. And I'm running in this year's ESOMAR Council election, and I would be deeply honored to be elected and represent this thriving community. I've been in the market research industry for nearly 20 years. Now more than ever, our industry needs innovative thought leaders who have a proven track record of advocating and educating, and who can help shepherd our community through these challenging times. Over the years, I've served on several boards, presented at countless conferences in the US and in Europe. I've been an active member of Wire Exec, an elite group of female entrepreneurs who promote diversity and equity in the insight space. And I'm a passionate business leader who's focused on helping the next generation of trailblazers. And I've been an active contributor in the Wire Mentorship Program. During my tenure, I've been fortunate to work at esteemed organizations such as Harris Interactive, USAMP, and now InnovateMR. My experience has afforded me the unique opportunity to work at a large publicly traded business, a venture-backed tech startup, and now a self-funded and independently owned global organization. I've been relentless in helping our industry navigate the sample ecosystem, and I earned the GRBN Certificate of Participant Excellence, which speaks to my steadfast commitment in creating a positive participant experience, which is the very lifeblood of our industry. I have deep knowledge in quantitative research, privacy regulation, quality best practices, and fraud mitigation methodologies, and I work in earnest to promote these learnings with the wider community. I was recently appointed to the Insight Association's inaugural laureate class. The laureate class is comprised of 15 of the industry's leading thought leaders with deep insights knowledge. And I'm truly honored to receive the appointment, and I'm excited to find ways to give back to a community that has given so much to me. I'm a founding member of the Multicultural Insights Collective, which is a group of diverse industry veterans whose mission is to foster racial equity in our industry and in our insights. Representation among all diverse groups is a central tenet for our collective, and I'm proud to champion this team's efforts through continued research and socialization. I currently call New York home with my husband, Alan, and two sons, Kian and Gavin, but I have deep roots in Europe. As a child, I frequently visited my father's hometown in England, and I was an expat living in Dublin, Ireland for several years, where I studied and met my husband. As a dual citizen of both the US and the UK, I have the unique experience and the global worldview needed to advocate for the ESOMAR community, and I will work relentlessly to promote our industry as well as support and advise our members. I hope to earn your vote. It would be a true honor and privilege to serve you as a council member. Thank you for listening, and here's to a brighter future in 2021.